It's around 50 millimeter. The thickness, I don't know why the video just stopped there. But yeah, it's around 50 millimeters. So I'm going to get a filter just like this one here. And I'm going to run it. But instead of this being 44 millimeter, it's going to be 50 to fit over the filter or the rubber itself. So once I get over that, then I'll be able to filter it properly because I don't want nothing entering my carburetor and destroying my motor. So basically, yeah, that's it for now. I just wanted to show you that little video so you could get a little view on what's going on as I continue to build this bike. But this bike is an absolute animal. And I can't explain another thing, which is something you might want to look at. As you can see, how long that pipe is. It goes all the way up somewhere into halfway into here. And I bought this actual pipe right from Amazon, and I didn't cut a piece off. So there's a significant amount of vaporization happening inside of here, which is great because during combustion, when you're trying to get a really good mix or a good burn, you need good atomization. That's the actual word. And that's the vapor. When the carb is under vacuum, it produces a vapor. And the smaller those molecules are, we can compress them better inside here, and in turn, making better combustion, which makes this thing pull hard. I would like to dyno this at some point. And then when you add the electronic ignition, right? So there's the magneto, but you can see I do have a wire, and I like to show it off because I know that there's nothing like it right now on the market. But once again, I always like to, show it off here just to let you guys see that this bike runs off of a CDI, right? So now you got the combination of a really good intake setup over there. You got CDI ignition. By the way, that just advances. That's all it does. That's all it does. It just advances. And remember, advancing is basically firing the spark plug before top dead center. So yeah, that's just advancing. Beyond that, there's the Black Bandit box, which we know of. I've been featuring it for a long time now, and this is the combination that we use. I'm actually revising it again because I think I'm going to be trying to get into another type of CDI and another kit that I'll be able to build with the Black Bandit box, but not this box. I'm going to revise it on another, maybe make the high range. I haven't figured out a name I'm going to give it yet, but I have bought all the parts, and I'm going to be doing some testing before I recreate another Black Bandit box. So I'll have two different styles depending on the build you want to go with once I get all of this together. So I am working on a kit. It's just taking a while because obviously the funds and everything. But what I would like you guys to do is like and subscribe and share. I always try to do things different folks, because being different has different effects, I guess, right? Yeah, so just remember, you want something like this, I do have them, the boxes, and I can put them out there. So main thing is trying to get the kit together. So basically what you would do is you just go and buy the kit, and instantly you got insane power. And whatever stuff I don't put in the kit, I'll just put links to it, and you could have the same build, and it's a rocket. A whole lot of fun building one of these things. This thing has come a long way. And ironically, I was looking at one of my the first pictures when I first started this thing 5 years ago. 2020 was just a frame that I had here. And now I look at this thing, and when I ride it, I just smile all the time because it's a sleeper, an absolute sleeper. And it's heavy, but I'll tell you, the weight of this bike and me for this motor, it's nothing. Absolutely nothing. The motor is I think it has way too much power for this bike, to be honest with you. So yeah, anyway, you know, stay tuned, like and subscribe, and always remember this bike runs on CDI. There's the battery. I like to show it off all the time, you know. There's a 20 amp, oh, there it is. 20 amp hour battery down in there. See? 20 amp hour battery, that's what the bike is running on, so that powers everything. Turns the lights on. My whole ignition system. Sorry. Camera's a little jittery here because there we go. Yeah, so whole ignition system, my gauges, everything's connected on that battery. And yeah, so she runs really nice, and I just can't, once I get the rest of the stuff, I'll run another video once I connect the filter on there and get it all together. So anyway, like and subscribe, stay tuned. This is another Black Bandit video brought to you by the one and only Black Bandit himself.